Hello all you wonderful humans. So I was sent a box of goodies by Janine from 49 and Market, being part of the educators team, and it included a create an album inserts. They're 6x8 assortment white. Okay, so I've just highlighted what I've used there, and also a 49 and Market triple flip album base in white. So I've kind of spread over my desk a bit. Let's move that one out of the way because you know what that is. And I kind of challenged myself to take what I had from my educators project, what I had left, and use it in a few more projects, because this paper is incredible. It's from the garden and it's by Michelle Coleman, and it's absolutely beautiful. Anyhow, I'm a bit excited because my great niece's first birthday is coming up and she's got a wild one theme. This paper is going to be incredible. Anyway, so I took the create an album inserts, and you can see, if you have a look here, sorry my lights do reflect a little bit, it had these various different assemblies that you could use. So I took what was in here and I used as much as I could in one album. So let's have a look. Not too sure if that's the intended way to do it. That's kind of all I have left, not a lot, which I will use somewhere else. So let's pop that to the side, because I hate having a desk that's full of mess. But here is the triple base album, and it's just a plain album when it arrives, but I have taken those inserts and added to it. So it had this one, which actually is a portrait flap, and you can see where it's attached on the bottom. And then at the top it had these, I suppose they should be used as a waterfall, but I've used them as a closure. And then I've used another one of the waterfalls and another one of the half pages. Oh, and I've got an idea for that, so I'm just going to close that over. And then on this side I used one of the pre-made, and it's actually got the gusset, so these pages can really have a lot of stuff inside them. So I've sealed and just closed them with magnets. I think it's about I'm not sure if it's 3/8 of an inch. It's close to 3/8 of an inch. Okay, I've kept this side plain, but I have an idea for that. And then on this one I've also used magnets, and this one opens that way, opens that way, opens that way, and opens down. Now you'll see writing on the album, because 17, 18, I've actually labeled them. So that's 17, 18, 16, 12, and 13. So I can see the order in which they go. So I've now taken that album like so. It does have magnets there, and I have cut a piece of this like super shiny ribbon, which I want to use just to close everything. Okay, it's about 42 inches, so I don't know how much that is in centimeters, probably just over a meter, around about a meter, and I'm going to use that as a closure. I've then taken, it's a full paper pack, what we would call a paper pack, so it's the patterns, and I have now cut it, and I've labeled everything ready to go into the album. These are my bits of offcut. That shouldn't be there. So they're my bits and pieces, which I'm going to use in the album as well. And also don't forget to keep the advertising strip, because they have got the most beautiful, absolutely exquisite prints on them. Look at them, they're absolutely exquisite. So I want to have a little bit of fun with this album. I want to do something a little bit different from what I would normally do. I want us to move away from the safe. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I also then am going to be using some of the other bits and pieces. So there is the From My Garden laser cut, 4 sheets of that one. There are rub-ons, there are the washi tape pieces as well, I seem to be missing one of the lasers. Let's just look for it. There's one more set of lasers. There are also the die cut elements, and there's also the chipboard elements. So there's a lot of stuff. There's one more set of die cuts, so I just need to look for that one. But there's a lot of stuff, so that's exactly what I'm going to be using in this album. I also have these amazing inks, the 49 and Market Ranger inks. The colors are incredible. So I would like to somehow bring those into the album as well. So like I said, I'm going to challenge myself to use a little bit of, maybe throw in a bit of mixed media here and there, and just have a lot of fun with this album. So that's my little introductory video. I hope you're going to follow along with me.